Hello class, so in this video we will be learning about electronic and mobile commerce apps. Okay, so the contents for this lecture is E&M commerce applications, wholesale e-commerce, manufacturing, marketing, advertising, bartering, investment and finance, banking, and online personalized shopping. Okay, so electronic and mobile commerce applications are areas in which applications are used in retail and wholesaling for manufacturing, retail and wholesale. So marketing is for advertising, bartering, retargeting, price comparison, couponing, investment in finance, so that is banking. Okay. So in wholesale, so it is a key sector of wholesale e-commerce that spends on manufacturing, repair, operation, goods and services. So MRO purchases often approach 40% of manufacturing companies' total revenues. So e-commerce software for plant operations provides powerful comparative searching capabilities to enable managers to identify functionality equivalent items. Okay. Simply, this is just when a business uses um, online platforms and websites to purchase goods from suppliers at a wholesale price. Okay? So these platforms offer access to a variety of potential business partners. Okay, so let's go to manufacturing. So electronic change. So this is just a forum where manufacturers, suppliers, and competitors buy and sell goods, trade market information, and run back office operations. So private exchanges are owned and operated by a single company. So consortium operated exchanges are run by a group of traditionally competing companies with common procurement needs. Lastly, independent exchanges are open to any set of buyers and sellers within a given market. So this is what it looks like for electronic exchange key. So they do everything in just a single platform. Okay, so now let's go to marketing. So market segmentation is the identification of specific markets to target them with advertising messages. So social media marketing is what belongs to here. Okay. So it defines a pool of potential customers into subgroups, usually defined in terms of demographic characteristics like health, race, some key, age, key, and where are they located, key nationality, so on and so forth. So Xlate is a subsidiary of Nielsen. Okay. So this is just a data management platform that provides data technology for digital marketing ecosystem. So you can just search about that. So yeah, that's it. So Xlate, so it provides data service solution that customers can use to access a database of more than 250 million business records. It's not for advertising, so it's just method of buying mobile ad impressions. Okay, so you can see this like in Facebook, there's ads everywhere, and yeah. So its cost CPM is cost per thousand, cost per click. So yeah, cost per action. So yeah, so that is the cost. But you can just specify an amount. So just like in Facebook, just specify an amount, and they'll provide you an estimate of the reaches or reaches per day, something like that, or a target reaches in a week. So that depends on your budget. So there are three main measures of success. Okay. So first is the number of users reached, which I just said. So click-through rate. So how many people click the ad when they saw it, okay? And the number of actions users take. Okay, so these are the characteristics of three types of mobile advertising networks. Okay, so this discuss each one. Okay, okay, so blind networks, so it's an advertiser that can specify country and content channel. So there's a category for it, so say news, sports, and entertainment, on which the ad will not run without a specific website. So the pricing for these types is CPC. So that's cost per click. Okay. So next is premium blind networks. So most advertising is blind, but for a additional charge, a advertiser can buy a specific spot on a website of its choice. So this was, let's say you have a website and you have a space for it, and you can use that space or say a banner for an ad. So for these types of networks, this is rated by cost per thousand impressions. Okay. So next is premium networks. So this big brand advertisers can secure elite locations on top tier destinations. So it's still cost per thousand. Okay. So bartering. So with economic downturn, many people and businesses have turned to bartering to gain goods and services. So this has been popular recently in Facebook. So there are Facebook groups for bartering. Okay. So yeah, that's one example for it. So there's number of websites created to support bartering, but it's just not popular in our country, but there are. So these are the examples of bartering sites. Okay. So an average of 74% of all online shopping carts are abandoned. Okay. So retargeting is used by advertisers to recapture those shoppers by using targeted and personalized ads to direct shoppers back to a retailer site. So as you can see, let's say you add to cart something on Lazada or Shopee or any e-commerce websites, you could see them on Facebook ads. Okay, so it's when you scroll down, you can see that, oh, this is the item that I just added to cart or I just viewed in Lazada. So yeah, so that is an example of retargeting. So price comparison. So mobile phone apps have enabled shoppers to compare prices and products online. So in some cases, shopper can simply scan an item's barcode or snap a photo of the item. Okay. Next is couponing. So in 2015, over 515 billion in consumer incentives were redistributed in North America. So that less than 1% of it were redeemed. Shoppers can subscribe to mobile coupon aggregators. So mobile coupon redemption rate is expected to increase due to integration in social networks. So this is the growth in mobile coupon users in the US. So investment in finance. So the internet has revolutionized the world in investment in finance. So the brokerage business adapted to internet faster than any other arm of finance. So now when you want to invest in a stock market or forex, you can just do it in your mobile phones or tablets. It could also be a laptop. So you don't necessarily need a laptop to invest in those. So you just those devices, you're good to go. Okay, so in stocks, okay, there's Call Financial, there's First Metrosec, and for forex, there's MetaTrader. So you just have to pick a broker of your choice in forex. Okay. So banking, so only banking users have there. You can check balances, their savings, checking, loan accounts, credit cards, statements, and many, many more. So you can also manage money among accounts, pay their bills. Many banks enable customers to perform online banking activities via the mobile phone, so that is really helpful. And lastly, online personalized shopping. So an increasing number of websites offer personalized consultations for shoppers. So the key to success of websites such as My Teresa and Net-a-Porter, so a philosophy of high customer service and strong personal client relationships. So that's it for this lecture. So I hope you learned something about this topic. So if you have any questions, just chat on Discord or send me an email. Hey, thank you and God bless.